Sturdy. Lock. Sit. Today we got a rare Honduran Curvoscopy oil change. Come back. Garboche. Scroogey. pH 3. Come on out. New old screws for you, bud. That's gonna be free of charge. OEM filter, slightly crushed crush washer, flippy flop. There you go. Pivot. Magneto holster for the ratchet. This should come right out with my bare hands. Yeah! Nope. We're gonna use this guy. A little tight. Yeah. There you go. We're just gonna rotisserie this like a Costco chicken. And there she goes. Okay, little razzle dazzle. That crush washer is crushed. Baby side cutters. Yeah. Okay, I call this the persuasion station. We're just gonna gently sandwich this right up on there. Come on. There we go. Good stuff. Scrap. Got a new washer for ya. Bye. Okay. Running a little low on Honda filters, but we got a couple left. Little sample, and we're just gonna thread you on. And on you go. No need to over tighten this, just heat. That's tight. Yeah! There we go. We'll let that drain for about 14.3 more seconds. 0 leaks going on with the K24. She's bone dry up there. Bone dry. Got a mirror on a shtick. I'm just going to check rear inner brake pads, ones with these sensors. And if you just stick a mirror right up in this quadrant, turn the wheel a little bit and see where the rotor is, and yeah, that's about 1 milli or less. That is also about 1 milli to the sensor. So we need tires, we need rear brakes, maybe a pumpkin drain and fill, ATF, brake flush. That's about it. Cappuccino, right up into your home. 30 foot-pounds. Little Danko Razzmatazz. Back in your home, Envision Auto 3D, Raggy Poo. How we looking? Really good. Okay. This atrocity, she's a little bent out of position there. We're gonna work with it. Work with me. We're gonna put all the screws back. Not sure what's up with people not putting screws back. 4 came out, 4 should go in, right? Am I right? Ah, that's missing a clippy. Do we have a clippy for you? We just might. Get up in there. Get there. There we go. That is free of charge as well. Okay. Sometimes you gotta be a little rough to her. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fully secure. Little saggy. Man, short intermission. Woo. Now that summer hit, I pretty much immediately regret just getting a radiant heater. So, I think I'm gonna sell that and get a mini split. Cause, for my balls, cause they're hot. It's hot in here. New shelf, new lights, got the TE Videos logo up there. It's all very nice. Dropping her dune. 4.2 quarts OW20, about 2.5 right chair. Let's grab this beauty. We're just gonna fill this right up to 4.5. Just go ahead and drink all that up. Right about there. Put the cappuccino back on in your home. Oops, raggy poodle. We don't spill. Garbage. Mother of Gandhi. Don't you worry, we're gonna clean you up. Little jingle jangle. 2 shakes and you're good. Pivot. Cappuchingus. And that is a sealed unit. Ready for the next Earl change. Cappuccino. Got a little bit of Earl up on this plastic cover, didn't I? We're gonna clean you up. Don't you worry about it. We're gonna get you nice. Blue raggy poo. Oh yeah, we'll do you right, bud. There she is. Little oil shine. Back on. Okay, start her up and open the garage so I don't asphyxiate myself. You think you want a passport? Tell you ride one of these. No rattle on startup with this CRV, by the way. Drive belt's a little stretched. It's at the max, but it's not rattling either. To reset this oil light, you just press on this dingus right here and hold it down for about, I don't know, 10 seconds. And then we release, press and hold again once it starts flashing, and it shall reset. There we go, 100%. Let's take this monstrosity off there. Let's let her warm up to operating temperature, check the dipstick, and we are done. You're gonna wanna wipe off the dipstick, re-stab her, grab a little sample, pull it out. We should see it right in between the 2 marks. This is 4.5 quarts that I put into it out of the 4.2 that it says to put in it. And we are right in between the min and max. No, that's not hot and cold. Bottom one's min, top one's max. So as long as it's in between those 2 marks, we like that. We are good with that, okay? Simba.